afternoon guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to our channel. So we've just come back from a couple of weeks off, but back to the grindstone with a very busy diary for the autumn season. But we've had a returning customer in today. This customer is in, I think, earlier this year or last year for a reversing camera and some other bits. But this is a 2023 VW Arteon Shooting Brake, or an estate car to other people. Now, this particular vehicle is pretty well specced out, pretty well loaded. It's a nice looking car, beautiful pearlescent paint, but was missing some extra mod cons, which he then came to us and said, can you do? Yes, after we did a bit of compatibility checking. So today we have fitted genuine VW blind spot assist. It's quite involved, not as involved as keyless entry, which is really involved and a couple of days worth of work, but still involved to the point that the whole back bumper comes off, a radar on the near side, a radar on the off side gets mounted, and then the cabling gets routed down one side of the car and to each front door. So once the cabling goes up into the front door, it then connects to these new little light modules that go into the wing mirror. Now you're probably thinking, oh god, that sounds expensive. We don't need to replace wing mirrors, all we do is replace the wing mirror cap. So we buy in the genuine wing mirror cap with the correct holes cut out for them for the lights. They've gone down to our body shop and has been sprayed in this 3-stage pearl, and then once the connections have been made in the doors, the wiring then goes down to the CAN gateway, which is the CAN bus module, and along to the fuse board for power. We then apply the coding dongle, and once the coding dongle's gone in and done what it's meant to do, there's a lot of sort of coding, binary stuff and adaptations as well. We can then go into the menu and select blind spot assist, or it's also called, is it lane assist as well? Yeah, so there are different names for this, but blind spot and lane assist. In basically, if you're driving down the road and you're doing 30 miles an hour or 130 miles an hour, this little light on the left-hand side or right-hand side will light up. It's there to help you and aid you in your blind spot, because if you looked in your wing mirror and didn't see something there, but your light was on, then there is something there. But it also means that whilst you're traveling along the road and obviously doing no more than 70 miles an hour, which is the UK speed limit, you would have your one of your lights on the left-hand side or right-hand side lighting up to indicate that someone is approaching behind you. In the UK roads these days, or on the UK roads, there are many idiots that undertake, so chances are your left-hand side light is going to work as often as your right-hand side light if you're on the motorways. But it's a really fantastic retrofit, comes with 2 years warranty, and it's in for about a day's work for that kit to be all fitted in and run through and then coded. Now, in terms of calibration, there's not many vehicles that need calibration, but some of them do. This one actually probably does a lot of self-learning after some wheel revolutions, but realistically it's fit it, code it, and then on you go. Now, we don't really want to go down the road and start doing some testing, especially because it's a bit drizzly today, but also the camera would be shaking around and whatnot. So what we have done is we've taken some pictures and some screenshots of what the media system will show you, that Sammy will then overlay onto the video so that you can see the left-hand wing mirror illuminate, the right-hand wing mirror illuminate, and also the messages or features that you get in there. Now, within the actual media settings itself, you can turn the lane assist or side assist off, or blind spot assist off or on, and then you can adjust the brightness, because not everybody wants the brightness to be full brightness. They just want a sort of discrete method of a warning. I mean, a lot of cars these days, or SUVs, actually have a replacement wing mirror glass with a little LED illumination in there. The problem is they're really expensive to replace, whereas this is much more in keeping with the vehicle, that it's in the actual side of the thing. So if you've got a vehicle like this and you want blind spot assist or lane assist, then do get in touch with us via our contact form. We'll check out your chassis number with Germany and see if it's doable, and then quote you accordingly. But if you also want, for instance, Highline reversing camera, parking sensors, cruise control, electronic boot lid, or anything else that we can do that's genuine, folding mirrors, then please do get in touch. And as usual guys, thank you very much for watching.